Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mix lotion whitening. Crafting your own brightening lotion can be a rewarding experience, allowing you to customize ingredients for your skin. It's important to prioritize safety, so always begin with a small patch test on your skin. This helps confirm you have no adverse reactions to the ingredients. Additionally, ensure all your mixing tools and containers are thoroughly cleaned and sterilized to maintain product integrity. For a brightening lotion, consider ingredients like niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3, which is excellent for reducing redness and addressing hyperpigmentation. Vitamin C, often found in lemon juice, can help prevent skin from darkening. Incorporate nourishing oils such as sweet almond oil or jojoba oil for deep hydration. Shea butter is another fantastic base, offering rich moisture and essential vitamins like A, E, and F for overall skin health. The mixing process is straightforward. Start by combining your chosen lotion base or melted natural butters, like shea butter, with your liquid ingredients. Next, slowly introduce your active brightening agents, such as niacinamide powder or a vitamin C serum. Blend everything together thoroughly for at least 10 to 15 minutes. This ensures all components are fully incorporated, creating a smooth, consistent, and stable lotion for effective application. For best results, apply a small, almond-sized amount of your homemade lotion to clean skin once or twice daily. Proper storage is crucial. Keep your lotion in a clean, airtight container in a cool, dry place. Without a preservative, aim to use it within 1 to 2 weeks. With a broad-spectrum preservative, it can last up to 6 months. Always discard your lotion if you observe any changes in its smell, color, or texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.